Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the x.com or Twitter SSL error quickly and easily. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and in most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, check whether your system date and time are correct. An incorrect date or time can cause security and certificate errors, including SSL issues when loading x.com or Twitter. On Windows, click the clock in the bottom right corner and make sure the date, time, and time zone are set properly. On Mac, open System Settings and check Date and Time. If anything is wrong, turn on Automatic Time Settings or correct it manually. Once that's done, refresh x.com and see if the issue is gone. If the error is still showing, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window in most browsers. Select cookies, cached images and files, and if needed, browsing history as well. Make sure the time range is set to all time if you want a full reset. Then click Clear Data or Delete. After that, fully close your browser and reopen it. Then try loading x.com again. If the SSL error continues, disable any VPN you may have running. Sometimes a VPN can interfere with secure connections or trigger certificate problems. Turn off your VPN completely, then refresh the page or reopen the site without it. If you use a browser extension like an ad blocker, that can also cause issues. Click the extensions icon in your browser, find your ad blocker, and turn it off for x.com or disable it entirely for testing. Once the ad blocker is turned off, reload the page and check whether x.com now opens normally. Those are the main fixes for this SSL error. In many cases, clearing the cache, correcting the system time, disabling the VPN, and turning off the ad blocker will solve the problem. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more useful tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.